Tanghalian na, tikman ang mga masasarap, katakam-takam at nakakabusog na talakayan ukol sa ating mayamang pananampalataya. Halina't magsalo-salo tayo sa Kwentuhang Katoliko.
Maya pagtupo ka rin kay katamong kalugurang makiramdam ngayon aldoning Biyernes. Aba, weekend na. Kaya ni po, King Kwentuhang Katoliko. King 91.9 Bright FM kay katamong Archdiocesan Radio Station. Ako po'y Karen.
At ako naman po'y Shirley May Pakagtuan po kekongan.
At hindi naman po yapong chining kay kayong kakwento ang pasibayo nga ning aldoyti maya paugto kay kayongan.
At among Jean.
Yes.
Dakal po comments karenin pipagkwentuan ta mo manibat kay tangaldo as sacramentals.
Yeah.
De sacramentals pin pala kano. Ela mo dapat ugse-ugse. Hananining metong nabenging makiramdam. Kasi pin naman ela mo kabud any ordinary articles.
Yeah, uling they are also sacred objects la rin. Papa-bless mo la rin eh.
Opo. Oning ita mong katolikuling maging common la eh. Common in the sense akakitala.
Wow.
Agyang nuka rin or commonly used tata mo. Timo, atin magrosaryo talagang aldoldo. Neng kay kita mo bali, Tita Shirley. De rosaryo, adwa kami mo pong mami ko ni. Pero re rosaryo, atin makasabit kay talele altar. Atin, kasi kay kami naman, uling
Nung
dapat
karakal,
agyang nung
nakartamo
kamunta.
to.
Nung bisa kang
Bibinaw ka.
Neng kaya ala kang bulsa. Patintado itang makabulsa. Pero, nung anti mo, manuldol mangil daw. Papanik ka ba't kaya lalam? Dapat agad-agad ating kang yabit.
Yes.
Ita. So, common. Ito yung rin nasabihan. Crucifix, among Jean.
Yes, sabi la rin. And then crucifixes naman din talagang they are pambalera rin. Pero namuret ang susulod mo kay body mo like a necklace or a pin, eh? Ating ring, ating
Tingga.
tingga. Let's say oo. Etang sabit-sabit ka rin malugbog na.
Tito Shirley po ito rin nga.
Medyo-
Ayusip na po nga mong Jean. Ditang madonang tingga. Ditang bintot-bintot ang
Makabaligtad.
manuanda. Hali, dita lola tingga naman namong Jean.
Wow.
Dito pong, wari, nang kay terno-terno la rin. Atin pendant, atin sing-sing,
Yes.
atin
Yes.
tingga. Dito lola tingga. Lola tingga, in alimadona tingga.
Ating kareng pasbol da rin bale, balang kwarto, ating makasabit na, kaya sala,
Opo.
kaya main altar, yan.
So, Denny, maging common la. Common, pangkaraniwan nakakitala. Nang kaya kasi, nanong napitang amanuandang familiarity breeds
Contempt.
In our case, contempt.
Mm.
Bala mo, familiarity breeds carelessness.
Carelessness. Anyway. No, I don't find that also carelessness kasi they are supposed to be in places where they would indicate, in crucifix, you place it as an indication na katoliko ka. No? Kaya kakabit ako rin ba, kunaki mo la.
Opo.
Kaya naman, Christ the King.
Opo.
Uning. Mayayaliwa, o Sacred Heart.
Uning nga mong, sigurin mo rin nasabihin ng kay katamang listener, mig-text, kitang maging careless o maging pangkaraniwan. Ulipin, common lang nga kakita.
Doon papansinan, no?
Yes.
Kaya, they become, atin may papasobra itang,
May lalako ito reverence.
unti mo ako ating kumpansinan, dahil karang statwa. This is rather common, eh? Nengkay, aki may St. Francis, gawan deng garden decoration.
Siping na rin gnomes.
O kaya, si Map, bagyan eh. Nengkay naman tagak laret ang kayabi.
Bali rin taga.
O kaya chinelas.
Ay,
Bakit? Kapit daw karelele pasbulen, transpasbul. Karin daw lalakwan din chinelas. Bala mo yung San Francisco, taga-bante yan chinelas.
Bala mo kung balong makanya na bali. Mapilan. Pero itapin, ing maging ornaments na lamunin kay. Ing masakit. Stungeda ni type. Ing krus alilandeng nung puta alilandeng Tita Shirley, bula-bulaklakan.
Alilandang pampungsoy.
Ay.
Wow niya. Si Shirley guilty siguro.
Well, ikami pa Tita Shirley.
Kaya, kursiya nga chiking
Non-practicing kami. Then non-practicing ila pang So, ining metong tamong pipagkwentuan siguro. Nanula po wari rening sacramentals. Pwera karetang discuss tamo, apis sabihan tamo kareng mapilanal daw milabas. Atin na palang kategorya din. Bala mo, atin lang they're organized.
Mhm.
Diba? Talagang yung Santa Iglesia, it's always organized.
Siyempre.
Tita, kumbirantala po rin kay katamong listeners. Nung atin kayong buring i-share pa, ikwento, ikutang, o comments, send yun po ka rin numbers tamo.
Karen pong smart subscribers 0918-351-8282. Globe subscribers 0915-954-1303. Ang po Karen Sun subscribers 0923-231-4124.
Text nila po habang makabreak kami.
Tired of weaving dreams too loose for me to wear. Tired of watching clouds repeat their dance on air. Tired of getting tired to doing what's required. Is life for me routine in the greater scheme of things? Through with taking roads someone else designed, through with chasing stars that soon forget to shine, through with going through one more day. What's new? Does my life still mean a thing in the greater scheme of things? I think I'll follow the voice that calls within. Dance to the silent song it sings. I hope to find my place, so my life will fall in place. I know in time I'll find my place in the greater scheme of things. Each must go his way, but how can I decide which path I should take? Who will be my guide? I need some kind of star to lead me somewhere far, to find a higher dream in the greater scheme of things. The road before me bends, I don't know what I'll find. Will I meet a friend or ghost I've left behind? Should I even be surprised that you're with me in disguise? For it's your hand I have seen in the greater scheme of things. I think I'll follow the voice that calls within. Dance to the silent song it sings. I hope to find my place, so my life will fall in place. I know in time I'll find my place, for yours is the voice in my deepest dream. You are the heart, the very heart of the greatest scheme of things. So here I'll follow the voice that calls within. Dance to the silent song it sings. I hope to find my place, so my life will fall in place. I know in time I'll find my place. Follow the voice that calls within. Dance to the silent song it sings. One day we'll find our place, for all things fall in place, for all things have a place. in the greater scheme of things.
Magbalik tamo po ngayon kay Niking Kwentuhang Katoliko, King 91.9 Bright FM, kay katamong Archdiocesan Radio Station. Balikan tala po rin kay katamong pipagkwentuhan at yamong Jean ing tayangin ing aldong ini. Tita.
Oo.
Then pong deng sacramentals, they are all range nung lawin nyo la from words, from objects, times and spaces of places, actions, gestures, at chula po rin. And in fact, deng sacramentals may accompany the sacraments. Ang lawin niya, halimbawa, in sacrament of baptism, the sacrament itself of baptism, the act of the sacrament, baptizing a baby, at yun lang elements of sacramentals yan, the use of the water, the use of the prayers and the blessings. Mabubuuya, pero sacramental in baptism, uling sacrament siya, the action, the whole itself, Anya, then halos gagamitan tamo in the Eucharist mo naman, because sacramentals can be in forms of prayer, can be in forms of gestures, like making the sign of the cross, prayers, objects, like images, and then or combinations of such. Anya, sacramentals can also become extensions or radiations of the sacraments that have the same cause. Like baptism can be followed by the sacramental of holy water. Anya, we use holy water to bless. Malamo mag-extend ya kareng sacramentals in image na ning sacrament. Nya po tang gamitan ming holy water po tang bibless mo yung mete, which is a sacramental. In blessing is a sacramental. May this water remind us of the waters of baptism. Confirmation is extended by the blessings of a school, library, then blessing of sacred objects and places. Potang papabless kang bale, potang papabless kang archive, or papabless kang office equipment. Saken. Yan i-extend mo retang wala mo. In sacrament is also extendable itang meaning ng po itang kayakab. Although they are not sacraments, but they are sacramentals. Eday babiyatar. Enak mo kalupan in baptism. In baptism, the sacraments atin lang indelible mark nga natang effect na immediate ito itang by the performance of the sacrament, the grace is given. In sacramentals, by the use of the sacramentals, we rely on the faith and prayer of the church and the faith and prayer of the individual
Person.
Tatanggap kanita you may have a sacramental, but it may not bear you any grace. Nung halimbawa, sulod-sulod may kunwari tang krus, uling makikiuso ka mo, wrong intention, sampung alang kahit. So, alayang meaning.
So, ita palang Madonna tinggatita. Hagyang nanula pareta. Hagyang bintot-bintot lang krus. Ela pala sacramental. Aha. So, among, isto pong pisasabintala rening sacrament sa reni. Sacramentals pala. Atin lang categories o atin lang
classifications that ang sasabihan ko because sacramentals are commonly divided classes like it can be prayer. For example, the Our Father is a sacramental. Kasi it is a prayer. A sacrament yan. Agyang action or mag-confer sacramental grace or the sanctifying grace. Pero it may help us king obtaining grace king kakatamang prayer. It can be a prayer or liturgical prayers. Detang gagamitan tamong halimbawa panalangin tamo kareng misa. Those are forms of sacramentals. Or it can be also dipping, like the use of the holy water.
Use of the holy water.
Yes, dipping. Tapos gagamit kang holy water.
Okay.
Pata mag-cross ka man o gamitan. May mga ganyan. Pang-cross may kang katawan mo. And then, it can be also a form like eating.
Eating?
Yes.
Sacramental?
Of the blessed bread. Halimbawa, retang tinaping binless dang kang San Antonio o kang Saint Joseph. Retang galang-galang. O nung sakali, mo retang blessing of the bread.
Bala ko, sa istong minggigot kayong balitog Tita Shirley, sacramental na po ito.
Yes, and then
Ay.
forms of blessings like of the other classes like consecration, blessing of people, the consecration of kings, the blessings of abbots, churches, houses, bells, etc. The blessings and the use of candles, the palms, ashes, and of many other objects, medals, scapulars, images, etc. Karakal rin.
Okay.
So, sacramentals because they are of sacred atin lang para sa sacredness para kay katamo, ampong they help us also in a way attaining kay katamong prayer life, ampong faith expression.
I see. So, sacramentals can both be actions or objects. Ay.
Words.
Words.
O makanita detang papabless sapatos sa mo.
Dito naman the act of Papa Bless dala is a way also already of an exercising of a sacrament, of a sacramental kasi buri mo mong madedicate siya, I find nothing wrong nung pa-bless do rin sapatos.
Ampong detang papabless lapis.
Pero kukunang ko la then Papa Bless the red lapis, but significant of the blessings da naman din mag-exam. So nga ako, yula pa dala reta lapis na tako keni ikayong papa
bless.
But I think the sacramental there is not ang object kay te, but it is the sacramental is the act of having it blessed.
The blessing itself mong.
Wow, the blessing itself.
The blessing itself. So, tapin, para ka rin kay katamang makiramdam. Nung kanong ipapabless, deta sapatos ang po pang lapis, agamitan pang exam.
Diba rin, Papa Bless do rin animals. Papa Bless din yung seed, yung itanam. Kasi, the act of blessing evokes in us itang papapagbanal mo kay nga pong papasahop ka. And that is the sense of the sacramentals.
Okay. Yung sense of the sacramentals meaning among, buri mo maging banal ya o milapit na king Ginoo.
Malapit kay nga pong Ginoo.
Mabless o
alright. O nung maning gagawan mo, maging karapat dapat katanggap-tanggap king Diyos.
I see. So mas malagwaya pala ining kay katamong pakiintindi ngay ni. Lama kanyan kasakit nan lare sacraments, nan lare sacramentals.
The widest of the sacramentals is the blessing. Chula rin
Among, ingke kayong meto nga naking katedral, mig-text niya. Reverend Carthy.
Oy! Aba? Nanano yan? Ay, sinim ba?
Hayamig
deacon ka las 12.
misa. Ay, kasi buri na siguro pakiramdaman live yung kayang boss. Sabi na po, I like the topic about sacred images and on how to venerate them properly. Monsignor Jean is right because these are not just for display.
Yeah.
Adya, dakalaring makadisplay king katedral.
No, but they are there meant to elevate us, to signify the presence of the divine.
Pero itapin, you have to make a difference. Itang pag-display niya mo, anti mong ornament, o it is exposed for veneration or how do you call it? Nung kasi exposed, bala mo yung Blessed Sacrament. Nung image among, how do you call it? It is out for veneration? It is...
Yeah, we venerate the saints, but through the images mo, we use the images as a venue, as a means, no, to remind us, no.
So makanya niya pala ito. At saka kay mo itang carelessness tamo siguro ngeni uling baluta mo dening images sampo pa dening objects
They
sa reni.
represent something.
They represent something. Itang
Divine.
atin lang tatalakaran, atin lang papagana kakikata mo. Dapat bawasan itang carelessness. Itong ating kang akit rosaryong kalat-kalat, mababasa. Nanuman, o ileleme.
Kanya, alimbawa, the signs is sacred, pero in the civic sense mo naman, gagamit tamong bala mo sacramentals na ning civic, like the Philippine flag, okay, which symbolizes our country, our freedom, our democracy. Anya in bandera gagalangan me.
Gagalangan eh.
Eme uling istong what you do with the symbol is tantamount to doing it also to what it represents. Nya itang anak itang kang Facebook tang tagano ka rin ita UE yata ita o FEU tang piglampaso na yung bandera. May kwaita kay mig-viral ita. That was that's terrible.
Siyempre naman.
So in the same way, if kanamong civic sense agyang ing letrato ng mamo. Alam na mo yung letrato ng mamo itang deng gamit ng mamo. If somebody disrespects them or mimimwa kaya.
Opo. Peg sa lawla dala.
Sa lawla rin gamit ng mamo. Pipagala na pang mamo. Loko, bala mo gamit. Letrato ng mamo dininan deng bigote ang pong
Sago. Pangil.
Lalo sa election,
Demonizing
right.
the
And
enemy.
That is wrong. I mean, when you or some people to show disrespect talaga, they disrespect them kare-kare lang symbols, puprotesta dala.
Actually, atin librong makanyan The Origin of Satan it just means ing study nga ita na itamo mo kanong Kristiyano yung mag-demonize kareng kay katamong kapad o kareng kasalang tamo. So ako, no. So what we do as Christians is very unchristian.
Yes.
Tita, hindi kay katamong gawa ngayon So we should refrain from doing that. At saka siguro amo, agyang emo po kareng simbolo tamong Katoliko. Dapat iwasan tamo muna mo nitong pag-demonize. So, timo, manakit tamong symbol dareng Hudyo, symbol dareng
right. Religious symbols we should respect also. Kasi they may not mean anything to us. But out of respect because they mean a lot to the others.
Okay. Yan, malino po kay katamo. Tala pikatulan agyan
Right.
nano pa.
Subukan meng halimbawa sila ba ng Quran?
Ay,
Diyos ko po.
Mafatwa ka.
Right. Pero makapagmulala po tagita mo ng pag-disrespectwan daw rin.
Pengilab da no rin pisang banda mo.
Pinyilab daw rin ogyan deng kay deng takapanalig kang pangakristyano pero aliwala sekta patakay. They show disrespect to the Catholic Church, so to the Catholic people.
Pamasibasan da katamo pa po pisamban. Nya po tang kay mga balbal na rin kay katamong awang. Istong stained glass la kamal na ni tita ni.
Kamal na.
My goodness. Ining kay katamong pisasabyan na ini dakal la ring maka-relate ka no kasi iniping topic tamong dening sacramentals dakalpin kaning disrespect ta malilyari agyan kay nimo kano kay katamo Pampanga atin
kailangan lumaw tayo.
Among Jean
Yes.
istong disrespect makanya nila pong kaparusan nita.
Well, there is a sanction lalo na nung mag-commit Katoliko yan but for what reason will a Catholic do that nung naman may detan talaga nung sa Sarianda. Pero nung talaga sa Sarianda, then they are, I think they are culpable. Atin lang, they're liable for something, no? For reprimand or they are, nung nanitan
So, among, istong, kaparusan, kasi wari po, ing meto mong pari, may kagawayang estu, at niya sanction, ing meto nga laiko, inatake ning pari o ing obispo, at niya naman
At niya
sanction. O, nung anti mo, kay lareta na de sanction na reta, buri na sabihan, atin excommunicate, atin malilimit ka ring faculties, etc.
Yes.
Kay la temporal la rening punishment. Mo sasabihan, panayan mo miras ka banwa, buklat San Pedro yung gate, kanita. So, you don't have to wait for the time you die for the sanctions to take effect. Ita mo po, isto nga tin disrespect makanya natin temporal sanctions o...
Atin?
Oh.
I can speak only, halimbawa, kay kaming pare, if out of sheer carelessness, apabustan mi ang mga salawlay santissimo. We are liable, kareto.
Haruy.
We might even be, there could be some acts of discipline from the bishops, nga balo rin. O nung dinesecrate mi kami na mismo,
Aro.
we did something sacrilegious, I think
Suspension.
you can be in Eucharistic, you can be excommunicated.
So, hindi lang...
Kasi Eucharist naman sacramental, excuse me.
No,
That's
it's
the
not.
divine
It's not
presence,
sacramental. Oh, my Lord.
Mhm.
So, kay pala, in carelessness, ay hindi talagang dapat tamong iwasan.
Mhm.
Kasi kabastusan, lack of respect, ay, among...
Itamong lengkay ring churches tamo limbawa are left so untidy. Ikaming pare, nung ikang paris priest, ating ka ring command responsibility. Yeah, you may not be the one directly ating kang kasalanan. But nung kay kang pamanungkulan, mo call attention. Bawa yung kay kang parish church.
Hindi pa yung gusto.
So, pa yung basurahan niya or whatever. Alang anapin ng Ginoo, zeal for your house consumes me nga na ng Ginoong Jesus for your temple. We should be caretakers of the temple, no? And we should always strive to do that, no? Nya masakit mo rin isang pari ka, no? You make sure then kayong emblems of the faith that are sacramentals, the symbols of our faith are well kept and intact, no? Emo basta papabustan. They constitute transgressions dito. Tangka pa ba yan?
Hindi natin lang pala sanction din parish priest na burara.
What yun?
Oh, no. Kailangan.
Kanita, I remember, stong pastoral visit. Stong datang yung obispo magbisita kang parokya. It was a big thing. Maming obispo from the entrance of the church,
Mangus ko siya.
lawin na yung kay. Puntay kayong confessional, lawin na kanya na nung atin yung alikabok yung
Acid
confessional.
test. Oh, no.
Kasi itong atin yung alikabok yung confessional, mo'y tanguling mga pabustan yung confessional physically, pero mga pabustan niya po tayong sacrament of confession. Mo naman, which means, kataluluklok yung confessional, o te dire, o te malilin, o yang itsura na ng confessional. And you can be reprimanded. Patangkay lawin ng Santissimo, yung tabernakulo, lawin na nung masalesela, no? And he wants to make sure, ating kaibit may itang dapat antikan yun.
Dapat pala surprise visit na.
Yeah.
Spot check.
Aparte karetang other things that apart from those, already pa rin din lalawin da, no? To make sure. Kasi patang pari ka, ating ka namang, you take care of number one yan, you take care of the sacraments. In fact, yung metong nakarang object mo is, you take care of the sacraments, meaning, celebrate them well, allow people to be accessible iti karela, ampong, make sure that they are given to people the right way. May nga rin mamgisa kang masalese, mamiya kang masalese. Kaya po magcomplain na rin tao, po sakali, people have the right to complain po kakit about makanyang isami o to nanin panyaptan daw at makanya they have the right to complain, no? Plus the sacramentals safeguard mula naman din.
Oh.
Ay halimbawa ring santo kempisamban Mapapabusta ng isang Rocky, putot siya taliri. May-ari na kang Paris Press, putot siya pag... You have to complete them. Pare-pera mo la.
Anyan pala atin meto nga, karang duties and responsibilities of a parish priest. Abayay ang management of temporal goods.
Yes.
And when you say temporal goods, makakawani niya pa itang finance. Kasi nung ako, makasampulon lareta. So ito pa ulit yung burin na sabihan. Among, kailangan maayos ka pamanyese, kingke kang sasakupan o kingke kang pisamban. Aro?
Parita. Delay ko ting kayo naman.
Of course.
You share in that same responsibility. Siyempre, among nga na naman nga nagawa ito ng yeso pa na yun.
Opo. Among,
Alangan naman Aldodo, ako mamunot kayong pisamban. Ako pang manguskus kayong gamitan ko. At the laity also comes.
karine po lulubit ang amanuan tamong cooperation ng popang support.
Yes.
Kaya naman, kahit Pampanga naman numan milako rin tao, susuporta ka rin lang.
Nakalaran dagis
parokya.
pisamban.
Yes. Nang kay rats la pa hela mo mais.
Oh, yes.
mga regulang rats. Pero among isto pong dening sacramental sa amanuan tamo. Timo palpi gamit la. In question, isto mo pong worn out nemo, timo atin kung balo. In rosaryo na ulim palpi gamit ya. Pabanwaya mo. Mawi-wear out ya. Kasi detang beads made of the cords.
Fred.
Uling malambot lapi naman dete Malyari mong ibulsa. Makananing care. So, if it's worn out, how do you throw it out?
You dispose them. Tereng statues. Sabihan da, nga kut-kut dala na Makanta, lapit naman, away from public view. Itang po tating may nakita niyang misan, tatandaan ko, wari, nang kasakit isasaling chok ang po lapis, Ay, may kitang kakyalong ko kanta. Yan, tating ko, apulot nga ng chok nga na. Kapanyula miya, maputi yapin na masusulat. Yung lawengke, buntok na yung San Jose yata ito. Kayola. Balbal ya siguro, hindi makalelaya ka rin Yak naman mo makikisula-sula ko na makabang lawengke buntok yung San Jose. But we were young, may balo ito. Ing advice, kut-kutyo po, kaya nung di naman natin lang delicate concept, hindi po bala, ako pa, kut-kut na, o dala nyo king pisamban niya, ikami ng bala. King cathedral, kaya talele na ni Santo Inchero ang po, kaya manaki ka makasupot ka rin.
Oo.
Old objects, old religious images sa sira-sira, lalakwan dala. Then I take them. I take care of them. Makalano ko ang i-dispose.
But
mind you, palo mo kanta niya, minsan tinipa ako, penik do ka na ako. They were 4 bodies na ning crucifix sa ilang gamat. Itong may, but they are vintage century old la. Nanak katula.
Teritoryo na namang sinito.
Lagi ko, takal po salamat ginawa ko. Ko, sereta, because they are antique. So, I kept them in the museum.
Okay.
Sayang la.
So, ito pala yung rin nasabihan kasi nang nung ako kasi, Tita Shirley, interpretation ko, tatin makasupot kay nara kay ning harap na ning pisamban. Gagawan din basurahan ng pisamban ako siguro. So, yung interpretation tamo dapat manaliwaya naman. So, may nakit kang makanyan king pisamban, muri na mong sabihan, papadispose dala pong masalite.
Yes, totoo ito.
I see. Proper
Or,
pala.
I presume that. O kaya, they can be good sensing Catholics that may have left the faith.
Pwede.
At yung pamurin ng sentiments, besa si Randala,
Wow.
lakwan do kay kami.
Oh, good.
Ating kuman balukit-kot ni. Kay batan niya migbalik kay pa.
Kilkula na ba siya?
Kilkula na pa sila. Mas matibay ni kanita ito. Para po karang listeners tamo, sunduyo la pong padala din kayong text messages sa mga santing. Basan tala po kay Batnanim Break.
radyo ning Archdiocese ning San Fernando, Pampanga, Bright FM 91.9, malugod yang makiabek king selebrasyon na ning aldo ning kaibaytan ng Father Steven Susi nganing labing-4 ay aldo ning Oktubre. Masaplalang kaibaytan keka, Dear Among.
Magbalik tamo po ngayon kay niking kwentuhang Katoliko king 91.9 Bright FM ng kakatamang Archdiocesan Radio Station.
Unfair.
Ay, bakit po?
Wating mag-greeting in kagalang-galang emeritus. Special yung greeting ka rin mag-birthday. Apong Steve Susi.
Nano pong buri yung sabihin unfair.
Ken 29, buri ko damdamang kaya naman greet na ako ng emeritus.
Para ka rin kay katamong tech team, ing boss you, gawan yung every hour on the hour or every 30 minutes. Sabado yata. Ay, nako.
Something like that. I like that. Kidding aside. Wapen.
Anyway, itapon dimdam tamong kantamong kasanting na reglo. Itang
Holy God, we praise Thy name. Yapin niya yung Te Deum ito. One of the highest sense of songs sa pwede tamong kakantayan. In fact, itong solemnities, itong high days of liturgy, ampong mga sa piyesta, Te Deum. Holy God, we praise Thy name. Te Deum laudamus.
Balikan tayo itang kay katamong topic. Ito pong makanyan lareng kanta o makanyan lareng panalangin. Are those sacramentals?
Yes, itong deng liturgical prayers kaya are sacramentals. So, deng liturgical songs too.
I see. So, panayan ko atang ikantareng makanyan kasantingking cathedral complete with orchestra.
Yes, simply ita, we call on our music ministry. Actually, kintara na yan. There was.
Pero,
Anyang kapilan
makanya na reglo ngatin orchestra.
Migtedeum tamo niyang
Niyang installation
ng apundong.
We did.
I think we sang that. But it was not this arranged makanya.
Yes.
Pero
siyempre, grandioso yan naman pangakanta
entrance him yung balo ko ito niyang maglakad.
Saguli, malapit na po yung anniversary ng Apundong. Pwedeng kanta tayong Pasibayo.
Pwede.
Sach, where art thou? Ready? Anyway, so, Denny pala, Tita Shirley, Dening sacraments and sacramental samanwan tamo. Nung atin tamong metong malyaring tandanan, they have to be conducted or they have to be administered and they have to be used with care. Tamo, Pen.
Yep.
Amang Kapampangan. Kapampanganan tayo po ito. Para ka rin, Lola listeners, tamong
Kailangan niya.
Kailangan they have to be administered and they have to be used with care or reverence pa siguro.
Kailangan lang pamahalan pa-administered. Pamamahala, may pamahalan lang pong magamit lang mipnong kagalangan at mipnong kaingatan.
Kasi, mo basta-basta nung nanong bagay yata mo, Pen. Ini, sa summarize tane po, yung kay katamong topic ngayon paruminggo na, Tita. Kasi, dailanan tala, retang mo muna, pilan reta, detang 7 sacramental sa panetamong akakit gagamitan. Detang, aside from the 7 sakramento, ang 7 sacramentals, manumpisa ketan genuflection, sign of the cross, then yung kay katamong bells, at hanapin namong Jean, rosary, tatakot lang ka rin bells, 10 pang smells, incense. Kasi, atin, yung diablo yan, tatakot ka rito. So,
ito naman.
So, istong atakyan da katamo, uling gagamitan talareta, tamo masyadong apektado dapat.
Buray nyo lang.
Pero dapat, balo tamo muna mampakibatan. Nung makananong, gagamitan tala rin, tamo mo kabud tatang mo, tamo mo kabud, ali. Basta't makanyan la rin kay kami. Hanggang mo ka rin, pakintinjan tala naman, makanyan. Among 10,000 taritang traditional gagamit king makanyan, dakala pa po
Ding kosyang.
Ay, hamong?
Ay, speaking of the kosyang, ng Santa Rita, buri kayong greeting kanakong ninang.
Lawen me, o sa amin ko siyang kay ba't?
Ninang ising lansang.
Hi, mangising.
Wow, uling, nung manintong kang larawan na ning kosyang ng Santa Rita,
Kalagong
metong
kosyang.
yakareng kosyang yapong ininang kong ising. Ampoy, kinakapatid kong Paula.
Chimpola, how are you?
Ampo de nga luwapang kosyang ken, Diyos ko,
Ay, Ching Marlin.
Manang at Ching Maribik.
Manggors.
Yapong goring, i-mother dear mo.
Ay, of course.
Yaching
Pakalago.
Pe, Pineda.
Auntie
Miss
Fe.
Pe.
Aro,
Aro,
dito
kakit.
mang-
Kalam ba ko nang yakakit?
Dito po may kapatid, king gulot.
Right, mangkuring.
Tampula.
O kampo, ampoy, yapong.
May pisan da pureta.
Papatay.
Ito may kapatid gulot
Pet.
pisamban. May
Ay,
adjata mo,
Diyos
may
ko po.
adjata mo.
Ing matuan dalaga.
Ay, ali naman. Biyuda
Oo.
na yung manitang meto.
Ampong. Matuang biyuda.
Girlfriend na nga mong Joel ka.
Mang Lydia Bata, ampoy, Ching Baby.
Anti-babe, sampoy anti-baby.
The baby lapit, the Ching Baby. Dahil hanggang pong baby ka rin king Santa Ritang, naman lupang baby. At lalong babaong baby, sus Marios.
Amo!
Oh, yes. Huling, pero baby lang.
Chanel number 5 no gagamitin.
Right.
Alina Johnson's baby.
Intimate.
Balo na pa.
Si Map, o itong kakilala ko, alcohol niya gagamitan yun eh.
Oh.
Wow. Kaya,
At may ka niya na mo.
Sa batanda na ako. Kita ko pa mong
di,
highway.
matula kami mo po pupugay na. Di Ma'am Resio ren, oh.
Yes.
Deng CWL
Ching Marlin, mag-text po yan everyday.
Yung oren deng kosyang. Sus Marios.
Talagang inanak mo rin muli nga mong Jean kanini.
Ang poing kosyang pang ex-mayora. Hoy, Diyos ko. Oh. Kosyang.
Pasabat na ako kanini.
Karakaldate ko atata. Itek-tek.
Ay, yati-tek. Yati-viol.
Iyan kaya. Iyan alcohol yung gagamitan ng tek-tek. Gagamit pa banglo.
Amo. Pero, kumusta ni kaya Isabel Pretty?
O, ayun na ako. Wala na
Siya
ako
na
gigrit.
eskwela. O, maka na po lulub na yung wari.
Wow.
Atin na eskwela.
Si Map na yun.
Pero atin mo naman, kubalo nung...
Mabait na bang nanay mo? Okay.
Sumbong ni Mana. Dini nga nakarene, nanulangan kalokwan. Anyway, deni pong kay katamong i-greet pa, Tita Shirley, rin kay katamong darlings.
Then, Olak, Our Lady of the Assumption Children's Choir.
Yeah. J.D. Welder.
Yes. Kunyari, mag-text pero po tandamdaman niya mong Jean. Pigilan ng sarili na.
And happy birthday to our ACCH comrade.
Yes.
Owen Canlas. Magtipid ya.
Bakit po?
Gawa na yung binyag na ning anak ng ene mo rin.
Kabit-
And happy christening day kang
Pia
Pia
Marie
Marie Francesca.
The cutie little girl.
Yeah.
Ay.
Bininyag kaya din.
Nano mo pong barina sa Bianita. Sacramento yung binyag.
Yes, it is sacrament. Siyempre.
Ay, the other day, belated happy birthday kang Arwin. Abeta
Yes,
mo naman
naman.
ACCH.
Another ACCH comrade. Ampong days before yesterday, kang Fry, Francis Musni.
Wapin, aro.
Happy birthday, sinibay napon. Makabarong niya.
Kasi ba't po obra siya?
Alya, magtay pa kayong obra.
Okay. Ayan, mirasta na naman king oras ng kay katamong pamamupos nining topic kay ni kasayanan ni Tita Shirley manibat king umpisan tayo hanggang mayari yan.
Masayayaya mo.
Opo.
Mig high blood.
Kaliko.
Ngayon nga daw ngayon niya liya.
Napon lalo na uling. Kaya po pala rin 1,000 matches, so.
Ay,
Dahil hanggang kalugurang ka rin lalo na Atsing Pinky, Pangan, yung Hapitana.
ayan. Ariyan tayo po yung episode tamo kay ning panalangin.
King lagyo ng igpat ng anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. O Diyos, malugod ng igpa. Miras na naman po yung oras ng kaya kaming kapamunan. Papasyag mi, intulami, kanitimpig kalumong pami katagon, ami sabi-sabi, mi papagkwento at mi ragdagabelwan, dikil king kaya kaming kasalpan tayanan katoliko. Bendisyonan mo kami ngan sana, lalo na detang kaya kaming akakwentuhan. At ka rin karelang pi bale-bale, pi pagobran, o nulaman ka rin ngening. Parati la sanang maging masaya, pauli na naman ding pamanatili mo karing karelang puso. Ipagkalog mo sana karelay maya pakalusugan ning pamikakatawan at kaladwa, at layon ilawot mo la king nanong man kapahamakan. Nung sakaling atin laman karamdaman o daralan lang kasakitan, o nanong man mabayad akabilyan, pakayanan mo saning karelang kapilubluban at paramdam mo karela kaya kang luod at lunos. Iya pagmingan kaya kay ti king lagyo ng Jesucristong kaya kaming ginong, magari kayabe mo at ning banal na Espiritu, manggaman king ngalangang ka. Amen. Virgen de los Remedios,
Panalangin mo kami.
Santo Cristo del Perdón,
Pakaluluan mo kami.
At bendisyonan na katamangan ng Diyos sa may payang tutu, ingib pa, anak at Espiritu Santo.
Amen. Dakal pong salamat king pamanantabe yu, ini po surely God bless you and keep you.
At ini naman po yamong Jin, mamon kay kayo, have a happy weekend at mikitikit tamo ken tutuking Domingo.
King lagyo na po ning Commission on Catechesis ng Archdiocese of San Fernando. Yapin po ining kwentuhang Katoliko, King 91.9 Bright FM, king kay katamong Archdiocesan Radio Station. Ako po'y Karen, pasalamat at mamon ngayon Aldo ngay ni.
Siyang sa mundo'y tumubos, langit at lupa siya'y papurihan, araw at tala siya'y parangalan, ating pagdiwang pag-ibig ng Diyos sa tanan. Hallelujah! Halina't sumayaw, buong bayan, lukso sabay sigahan. Pag-ibig ng Diyos sa tanan.